According to data from September 16, 2023, the general price prediction sentiment is currently favorable. SEI is currently trading at 13 cents and may soon reach a high of 28 cents. Based on SEI's price fluctuations, we have predicted that the price of SEI will decrease by -16.59% at the beginning of October 2023, increase by a maximum of 112.72% in the middle of October, and increase by an average of 93.99% by the end of the month. According to the current market situation, the price could reach 46 cents by 2025. Consequently, the average quote price could settle at 42 cents according to our SEI price forecast. SEI is anticipated to trade between 12 cents and 13 cents. This week SEI will increase by 5.79 and reach 0.134 on September 18, 2023, if it reaches the higher value. In the past 24 hours, the price of SEI has increased by 11.92%. In the past 7 days, the price of SEI has increased by 0.75%. This increase has investors ecstatic about the return on their investment in this feeble. The SEI price prediction for next week is between 13 cents on the low end and 12 cents on the high end, and according to our SEI price prediction chart, the price of SEI will decrease by -10.7% and reach 12 cents on September 25, 2023, if it reaches the upper price prediction. Target stock is anticipated to trade between 11 cents and 15 cents if it reaches the upper price target. According to our SEI price prognosis, the price of target SEI could increase by 21.3% and reach 15 cents. SEI is anticipated to trade between 11 cents and 29 cents. SEI will increase by 126.81% and reach 29 cents if it reaches the higher value in the following year. Target for 2024. The SEI price prediction for 2025 is between $20 on the low end and $1.002 on the high end, according to our SEI price prediction chart. If the upper price is reached, the price of SEI could increase by 675.36% and reach $1. Target. The SEI price prediction for 2030 is between 72 cents and 91 cents on the low end. According to our SEI price prediction chart, the price of SEI could increase 609.57% and reach $0.917396 per unit. If the price approaches the maximum target, will SEI reach $1, they would need to gain 673 points for 6% to reach $1. According to our SEI prediction algorithm, SEI will hit $1 in October 2024. Target. Will SEI reach $10, they would need to gain 630 points for 5.5% to reach $10. According to our SEI prediction algorithm, SEI will not reach $10. According to our SEI prediction algorithm, the price of SEI will not reach $100 by January 1, 2049, when its price is expected to peak at $9.07. For SEI to reach $100, its price would need to increase by 77,245.9%. The algorithm predicts that the maximum price will be $9.07 on January 1, 2049. What is the sentiment regarding the currency? According to our technical analysis, the current SEI sentiment is bullish. The majority of technical indicators indicate that by SEI investors have seen returns of over 2.75% on their investments in the past week due to the bullish period SEI has experienced. Based on our analysis of the technical indicators for SEI, we anticipate a slight correction in the coming days. Today marks 11 years since Jack Dorsey, CEO of Block, made what at the time appeared to be his first public comments about Bitcoin. In 2012, when he visited the University of Michigan, he praised Bitcoin when its value was only $11, but his endorsement received little attention outside of the Bitcoin discussion group. Pete Rizzo, a Bitcoin historian, discovered the recording of today's visit on X. Dorsey's comments are significant because of his public role in Bitcoin's history, which led to his current position as CEO of Block, a company that works to improve Bitcoin's use and technology. The company, formerly known as Square, has been a leader in payments for a long time, and its support keeps Bitcoin in the mainstream. In 2012, Dorsey gave a speech at the University of Michigan in which he expressed his genuine interest in new technologies. Bitcoin was still a relatively unknown digital currency on its few markets, where it traded for an average of $11 per unit. However, in his talk, Dorsey referred to Bitcoin as amazing and stated that he believed it could have a significant impact on the business and technology industries. He also stated that the Bitcoin trend should return to normal, and that Square will take any money that comes in if Bitcoin becomes popular and well-known worldwide. Since Dorsey's initial backing, the price of Bitcoin has skyrocketed from $25,000 to $75,000, a phenomenal 220% increase. Bitcoin is no longer a small part of the financial world, it is now a global movement that is widely used and recognized. This speech was not the end of Dorsey's journey with Bitcoin, in fact, it was only the beginning. In 2018, Square, a company he co-founded that provides financial services, added Bitcoin trading to its Cash App so that users could buy, sell, and store Bitcoin. He has invested in Bitcoin infrastructure and worked on projects to make Bitcoin simpler to use and more accessible as Bitcoin continues to change and shape the future of finance and technology. Jack Dorsey's early support and continued commitment to the cryptocurrency demonstrate how revolutionary Bitcoin is and how it could alter the way conventional financial systems operate. Cryptocurrencies traded in a holding pattern on Wednesday after the latest Consumer Price Index (CPI) reports showed that inflation picked up in August, with headline prices increasing by 0.6% from July to August and by 3.7% from August 2017 to August 2018. This was primarily due to rising energy prices. The stock market was a bit of a mess as investors anticipated next week's Fed meeting where the central bank will decide if additional interest rate increases are required. Next week, according to the CME FedWatch tool, the Fed will cease raising interest rates 97% of the time, which is an increase from 90% a day ago. At 5,000. Bitcoin is no longer a small part of the financial world. It is now a worldwide movement that is used and known by many people. This speech was not the end of Dorsey's journey with Bitcoin. In reality, it was just the start. In 2018, Square, a company he helped start that provides financial services, added Bitcoin trading to its Cash App so that users could buy, sell, and keep Bitcoin. Block has become a big player in the crypto space thanks to his leadership. He has invested in Bitcoin infrastructure and worked on projects to make Bitcoin easier to use and more accessible. As Bitcoin continues to change and shape the future of finance and technology, Jack Dorsey's early support and continued commitment to the cryptocurrency show how revolutionary